So guys, welcome to my new video. In today's video, we will talking about how to earn Paytm Cash, how to earn money. Actually, it's money, but if you are from India, it's be Paytm Cash. How to earn money? Instant, instant online. Okay. So as you can see, this is a website godigit.com. So we are opening the first website, and as you can see, it's an Indian website. So by becoming an agent, you can earn money. You can file a claim, file health claim. Many things are in this website. And the Indian cricketer Virat Kohli is the brand ambassador of this website. So, but we are not earning from this. They are telling 12 ways how to make money online. First is works and insurance POSP, means an agent. Start blogging, sell your digital products. So let's ask from Google, how can I make immediate money online? Pick up freelance work online. So freelance work from Fiverr is the best way in my opinion. Like we open the Fiverr, you can earn money by just instantly. Like if you work like instant work, if you work instant, you can earn instant money. You can make AI from free website and sell on this website, Fiverr. You can customize someone's WordPress. You can share your message, voiceover, video explainer, video editor, SEO, and many other things like data entry. There are many things, guys. You can earn money by this. So I hope you're liking the video. If you're liking this my video, just subscribe my channel.